Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to mirror the screen of a laptop or a PC to the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Google Play Store on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app. Then tap on open. Now just select skip. Now from here, just select agree. Now, as you can see, I have already installed the Power Mirror app on my laptop. If you have not installed it yet, you can install it from the Microsoft Store or from Google Chrome. Now, once you install the Power Mirror app on your laptop, just open it. Then tap on USB connection. Now, after that, just use the charging cable of your smartphone. Now, just connect one end of your charging cable to your smartphone and connect the other end of your charging cable to your PC or to your laptop. Now on your smartphone, just select cost. Now as you can see, this is the name of our laptop. Just tap on it. Just tap on the plus icon, then go back. Now from here, just select Mirror PC to Phone. Now for this feature to work, just make sure you connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network which is connected to your PC or to your laptop. Now, as you can see, this is how you can mirror the screen of your laptop or PC on your Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.